step 2. We're going to narrow it down. All right, so you've thought about a story, you know the kind of story you want to tell, but chances are it takes you a little bit to actually tell that story. Maybe you are telling the story of a garden that you grow. And so you plant the seeds and you wait for those sprouts to come up and you water your garden every day. But if you forget to water and it's too hot and dry, then those plants start to wilt. And if they start to wilt, that's not good for the plants and you don't get as many vegetables out of it. And so you got to make sure those plants have water and they can get the water from you or they can get the water from rain. That's a story you could tell, but that is too long to make into a stop motion animation. So what I'm going to have everyone do is take your story, whatever it is, and try to get it down to just one sentence. And I know this is hard. So really try to think, what is the core part of the story? What's the most important thing? If I was trying to tell a story about my garden that I just sort of recapped for you and it's quite large, you can keep whittling that down. So, okay, I have a garden, I plant things in it, and those things grow, but they need water. And if they don't have water, they're not growing. And one of the places they get water is from rain. So that's already a little bit too long, but I can shorten it even further. I could say, you know what? The point of that story is that rain makes the garden grow. And that's my one sentence story. So I want everybody to do that, but with your own stories. Think about how you can take that whole story that you want to tell and get its core points down to just one simple sentence.